want to see? What's up, boys and girls? Happy Friday, and you know what that means. It's the final day of Hour of Code Week. Now, don't be too sad. I know how much you all love coding, working with our robots, and learning how to be a computer scientist and learn how to code. Instead of having just an Hour of Code week, we are gonna have an Hour of Code month. And we have another exciting announcement for you guys. If you remember last year, we created a video with our first graders in Miss Sparacino's class learning how to use Ozelbots, and many of you are currently using Type to Learn here at Mahanasin. That company is called Sunburst Digital, and they have been so incredibly kind. They've reached out and said they wanted to try a brand new robot with our students here at Brock Primary. Are you guys ready to meet the newest member of our Brock community? Well, here is Root. This robot can teach anybody how to code, from preschoolers all the way to 95-year-olds. So without further ado, let's meet our newest robot, Root. You can control Root with your iPad. Any iPad can control Root. Now, what things do you think Root could do? So you think Root can hear? You're correct. What else do you think Root could do? Root can definitely move. What else could Root do? Mark.
I think he can spin around in circles.
He can spin around in circles. What else can Root do, Tommy?
Maybe he can talk.
Now, yes and no. Root can't speak, but Root can play music. And you can have Root play you a song that you created on a piano on the iPad. Root can eat only certain things. Root could eat the marker whiteboard, like its name right here. What does that really mean? It's not going to eat it, it's going to erase it. Root can erase. But the craziest thing that Root can do is that Root can write. Oh, I love your reactions. Root can write. Do you see Root's eyeballs? What color are they?
Blue.
Do you see Root's nose?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Yellow. Yellow.
It's yellow. Yellow's right. The black circle in the middle, I call that Root's hand. Everyone make a level 0 with your hand. Because with your hand, what do you put in your hand to write with? A pencil, a crayon, a marker, you know, all that fun stuff. So this is a whiteboard marker, right? This is your average whiteboard marker. I can take Root and I can stick the marker inside Root, just like so. And now I'm gonna have Root go there. Now, you were right. Root can do all of those things, but is Root doing that right now?
No.
Well, then how do we get Root to do all those things that we said Root could do? What do you think? What do we need to do?
Use the iPad.
You're on the right track. What do we get?
iPad. Play on the iPad.
You're close. Playing?
Actually, pressing buttons on the iPad.
That's right. There's a special word for that. It's
Okay.
what computer scientists do, and it's what you're going to become. Not text. It's like video games. You gotta put in a... What? Did you just say the magic word? Shout it out loud.
Code.
That's your shout.
Code.
Count of 3. We are going to whisper it. 1, 2, 3. How do I spell code? C. O.
D.
D.
E.
Are you sure these are first graders right here?
They are. They're
Oh
very
my
hard
goodness,
workers.
This is like... Now, you guys are all way too young to know the song, but maybe Mrs. Verano knows. This is the song that doesn't
end.
You do know the song!
Goes on and on, my
Anyone
friend.
know the song? Nobody knows Lamb Chop's Play Along, do they? Now, if you get a really good grade on a test, do you know, like, when you're in high school, what the letter is when you get, like, a perfect score?
A.
An A! Oh my goodness, you guys are genius. I tried to see if I could get Root to write the letter A for me so that he could grade my homework for me so that I didn't have to do that. I could say, oh yeah, that's a good homework. I'm gonna give that one A plus. Maybe just an A. So let me see if I can get this to go. You ready?
We can't move. Oh my God. Take it off. Yeah.
You wanna see? You have a play button, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. And in these 7 steps, Root will make the A. Yep, I hit play, so look at the steps.
You hit it.
Letters or pictures? What do you see, Jaden? Pictures. I just coded that robot only using pictures. So if you are a 3-year-old baby and you don't know any letters, a 3-year-old could code this robot. But you guys are probably some of the smartest first graders I've ever seen. So you know like how to spell second grade words like root and code. So this is gonna be easy peasy, lemon squeezy with a slice of American cheesy for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is teach your teacher, the incredible, amazing Mrs. Verona, how to use this app. And then you will all learn how to do things just like this. Are you ready for this fun little game I've created? It's called Scared Root. You had said that there's something in there that can hear what we say, right? All right. The game I created is when Root hears any noise, it's going to be scared and back up. But if we're silent, it will start to go slowly forward. Are you guys ready for the finale?
Yeah.
I need you to be totally silent. Are you ready? Boom! Zero. When I go like this, did that work? Now take it one step higher. Boom. So we weren't that loud. Now, let's take it just one step higher. You guys like that game?
Yeah.
Thank you again so much, Sunburst Digital, for providing this robot to our school. I can't wait to get all of our students coding using your technology. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget to work hard, play hard, and I'll see you guys later.